Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the future of food storage, and specifically, the amazing technology that's being built into today's smart refrigerators. First off, let's start with the basics. A smart fridge is essentially a regular refrigerator that's connected to the internet and can be controlled and monitored using a smartphone app. But beyond that, these appliances are packed with all sorts of cool features that are designed to make your life easier and your food fresher. For example, many smart fridges now come equipped with AI-powered grocery management systems that can help you keep track of what's in your fridge and pantry. You can even set expiration date reminders so you never have to worry about accidentally eating something that's gone bad. But that's just the beginning. Some smart fridges can even suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand, or help you create shopping lists that you can access from your phone. And if you're really pressed for time, some models even offer the ability to place orders for you when you're running low on certain items. Another great feature of smart fridges is their ability to optimize their energy use. Many models use AI to learn your usage patterns and adjust their cooling and energy consumption accordingly, which can save you money on your energy bills. So what does the future hold for smart refrigerators? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but it's clear that this technology is only going to get more advanced and more widespread in the coming years. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all have fridges that can cook and clean for us too. Sure. Here are a few examples of brands that offer smart refrigerators. LG smart fridges come equipped with features like AI-powered grocery management, recipe suggestions, and energy-efficient cooling. Samsung smart fridges offer similar features, including voice control and integration with other smart home devices. Whirlpool smart fridges come with features like remote temperature monitoring and the ability to set expiration date reminders. GE smart fridges offer features like customizable temperature zones and integration with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Haier smart fridges come equipped with features like AI-powered recipe suggestions and the ability to track your food's expiration dates. Beko smart fridges offer features like customizable temperature zones and the ability to set expiration date reminders. Liebherr smart fridges come with features like remote temperature monitoring and the ability to track your food's expiration dates. Hisense's smart fridges offer features like customizable temperature zones and integration with popular voice assistants. Fisher & Paykel smart fridges come equipped with features like energy-efficient cooling and the ability to track your food's expiration dates. Bosch's smart fridges offer features like customizable temperature zones and integration with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech trends. See you in the next video.